Tired of forgetting things? Google Tasks makes it easy to stay organized by creating simple to-do lists, setting reminders, and keeping track of everything on your phone or computer as well. It's free, fast, and super easy to use. So firstly, all I have to do is just open your browser and dive into Google Calendar, or you have just to dive into calendar.google.com and you'll find this page. Or you can just go to your drive and you click over here and you select here Google Calendar, or you will find it like that and you select here the option of tasks and you will find this. But the easy way I will show it here right now. So you have just to open your browser and you have just to dive into Google Tasks like that, Google Tasks, and then you click over enter. Then you'll find here this results. You have just to click over the first one like that and you'll find here the first one, which is like that. So here we have our Google Calendar and here we have how it looks and here we have how you can add tasks. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Calendar or Google Tasks, I mean. So let's get started right now, because in Google Calendar we'll find here event, tasks, and other things. You can here focus right now in Google Tasks. So firstly, let's know what is Google Tasks. Google Tasks is an easy to use tool for organization your to-do lists. You can quickly add tasks, set your dates, and create subtasks for bigger projects. It's synthetics across all your devices, so you can access your tasks on your phone, tablet, or computer as well. You can also link tasks to your Gmail and Google Calendar for better organization. Best of all, it's completely free and simple to get started. So let's get started right now. Firstly, you have just to click over create in the top right, top left, sorry, and you have just to add a title like that. All right, so you have just firstly to add a title. You have to write here asking, for example, asking advices. I will forget here asking for advices. Sorry, advices like that. Then you have to select here all day and you select here does not repeat, or you want here daily, weekly on Saturday, monthly on day 16, annually on November 16, or custom as well. Then you have just right now, once you click over custom, you have to select here how much day, if you want here 1 week, or if you want here added things such as we find here. If you click over it, you have just to put it more and more and you select how much you want. If it's 20 days or 20 weeks or months or years as well. Then you have just to start right now by clicking over here. Each one it's going to be starts with the dates, and we have here also ends which day. I will select firstly it starts with, for example, I will start here for December and I will start for this day and I will click over OK. Then I will here end and I will put here on, for example, I will select here January, or for example this one. Then I will click over OK. Then we have after how much, after 31 occurrences, and you select how much. Then you click over OK and you'll find it here, the date, or here the time. As you can see right now, we'll have just to add descriptions. For example here, for example, for task talk about something, for example something. Then we'll click over save, and here we have the task. As you can see, we have first task 1 and we have here asking for advice, the second task. If you want to add another task, you click over here and you start adding the task by linking the title, details, and about details you'll find here other things such as the description, the date and time, and you click over OK. Also we have here the option of start. You can just make one task more important and then you get started. Also we have a list here. If you want to here put or create a list, you have just to enter the name. For example, I will put here task 1 and then I will click over done. And here we have a add task 1 here, and you click over here and you add whatever you want on the list. As you can see, also if you want to here create a new list, you click over here, and that's it for this one. You have just to click over here in the top left over create and you get started with Google Tasks. Also we have here other options such as here we have my account, and this one we have it, and we have here all things depending or related to Google, and then we have also here calendar. I will just show you how you can do that and how you can use this one. Also we have here settings menu. As you can see, tasks, keyboard shortcuts, and once you click over it, you will find here those things. As you can see, if you want to here modify the navigation, task actions, we have here other things such as editing tasks, list actions, and also we have application here and other things. As you can see, right? Also we have here the button of keep. Once you click over it, you will find here the take note. You click over here, and you add and take the note as you can see. Then you click over done. You can also make it here pin a note, or you can just here modify the menu by a click over a share for delete as you can see. Alright, so let's get started right now. And here we have also the maps. If you want to get started with this one, and if you want to get add-ons, you click over here and you start adding whatever you want by searching for application. So right now I will show you here, switch to calendar, and I will explain you more about this one. It's very important as you can see. Now here in the top left, you have just to select here add a task. You have just to click over create a task as you can see, and you select here task, and then you have just to add whatever you want by clicking over here create, and you add a title and you select here task, of course, because in this video we talked about task. And then we have also event appointment schedule. You have just to select the one you want. If you want also event to select it as you can see, and you have just to add here those tags and description. My tasks here, select here for a task one and other tags, and you click over save once it's done. Alright, so right now, or we can just here click over here and you select if you want a task, or then you add here whatever you want, and then you click over save and you'll find here tasks here. You have just right now to add those information and you get started. On the left, we have here if you want to search for people, or you have here have to select my calendars, or if you want here to put it like that, you can also modify the color of each one. And also we have here the color, you select the one you want. Also we have added calendars. You click over here and you click over here, and if you want to here subscribe to calendar, create new calendar, policy calendars of interest, and for URL import. Right, so this is for this one right now. And also we have other things that could help you guys. So to use Google Tasks, you have just to open the application or access it to draw Gmail or Google Calendar. You have to create tasks by typing them in, set your dates, and organize them into lists. You can break big tasks into subtasks and check them off as you complete them. Everything synthetics across your devices, keeping you organized on the go. So this is how it works with Google Tasks right now, and let's just switch into tasks right now, and this is how we can do that. You have just to click over create. It's very easy. We don't have a lot of buttons to be confused of your how you can do that. You just to click create and follow those steps, and that's it. So Google Tasks is a simple free tool that helps you stay organized by managing your to-do lists and reminders, whether for work or personal tasks. It keeps everything in one place and sends it across all devices. It's easy to use, efficient, and a great way to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Give it a try and take control of your day as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. So follow the steps by just diving into, and after opening your browser and dive into Google Tasks, then you get started by clicking over create. It's very easy to do that. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope you are doing well and you enjoyed with this video. You have just to follow those steps and you will succeed with using Google Task as you can see.